Hello everyone, my name is Dan and I'll read the next topic for day 8. The topic I choose is how heat is transferred. Heat, heat is the energy that warms our houses and cooks our food. It is the transfer of energy from warmer body to colder body. How does this heat transfer take place? Conduction is one method of heat transfer that takes place when there is a difference in temperature between two objects. For example, if a silver spoon is inserted into a pot of hot tea, the handle of the spoon will immediately become hot. This is because the molecules at the submerged end speed up, which causes the slow-moving molecules at the cold end to move faster. Energy is thus transferred or conducted. Heat flows from a warm object to a colder one until the temperatures are equal. Substances like metals are good conductors because heat transfers readily from one molecule to another. All substances conduct some heat, but substances like glass, plastics, and wood act as insulators because their molecules transfer energy so slowly. Gases and liquids are poor conductors because the molecules make very little contact with which to pass on the energy. The warmest materials are those that trap pockets of air, such as wool, fiberglass, asbestos, and down. A vacuum would make an ideal isolator because it has no molecules to transfer the heat. Although molecules in fluid do not conduct heat very well, they do transfer heat by convection. Convection is the upward flow of masses of liquid or gas molecules as they are heated from below. The hot air rising above the radiator is an example of convection, as the heat causes the air to expand. It becomes less dense and rises. Convection is used in hot air furnace, in which air is heated and then forced into a room to replace the cold air, which is then drawn into the furnace to be heated. Winds and ocean currents are examples of convection found in nature. Radiation is the third method of heat transfer. All life on Earth is dependent on the radiation of the sun's heat and light energy. One fascinating aspect of the sun's radiation is that the electromagnetic rays that carry warmth and light to the earth are themselves invisible and without heat. We know this because the space between the earth and the sun is dark and cold, but when the rays reach the earth, they light the atmosphere and warm our world. It contrasts to the conducted and convected heat. Radiated heat passes through a vacuum. All objects emit or give off radiation. For example, when two objects are near each other, the one that is warmer will give off more energy than the colder one. Thus, transfer energy from one to the other. Usually the objects do not absorb all the energy but reflect some of it. Light colors reflect more energy than dark colors. Highly polished surfaces reflect more energy than dull ones. The three models of heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation, are subject to two conditions. First, heat is transferred only when there is a disparity in temperature. And second, the flow is always from hot to cold. This is the end of this passage. Thank you for listening.